I think that it's a fantastic program with a head coach like Coach Meyer, who obviously knows his stuff. He's had great quarterbacks in the past, and nobody's questioning what Coach Meyer does. So that's important to me, and I'm very much considering Ohio State. I don't care about the distance of them being 14 hours away or whatever. If you get on a plane, it's 3.5. You go to Dallas, it's 3.5 hours. So I'm not worried about them being distance away. I'm just looking for the perfect fit for July 18th. We're going to continue to visit. I got an idea on what schools that it's going to go down to. I kind of got an idea, but I need to go see A&M and these other schools, which I'm pretty sure I'll be impressed with. I'm just, staying focused, and the deal is I want to have all these all these visits done before July, so I can have 3 or 4 weeks between then to just, look at what I done evaluated over and evaluate with my dad and family, come up with a decision. I was actually sitting in the living room with my brother, actually, and I told him, I said, I don't want this process to last, because I'm graduating in December, so I don't want this process to last a long time, so I just want to get it out the way with it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that big.
Yeah.
I didn't realize it. I got upstairs, I got everything you would want in the program, so it's impressive. Yeah, man, it's impressive. And then Braxton Miller walked up yesterday, and he is a fantastic guy to get to talk to. He's got some size on him. Actually, Braxton's a pretty nice guy. I visit 4 places now, and I'll know. When it's all said and done, I'll know.